Does your video clip feel quiet and hard to explain to your viewers? Do not worry. In this quick tutorial, you will learn how to record and add a clean voiceover right inside CapCut Mobile. First, open your video project and drag the timeline to place the white line right where you want your voiceover to begin. Now, look at the bottom toolbar, tap on Audio, and then tap on Record. Tap the big microphone button, wait for the 3-second countdown, and speak clearly into your phone. When you are finished speaking, tap the record button again to stop the recording, then tap on the check mark. Here is a secret pro tip. A background room noise can ruin your recording. Select your voiceover track, scroll the bottom toolbar to the right. Tap on Reduce Noise, and turn the toggle switch on to make your voice sound crisp and clear. Now, press play to listen to your clear voiceover. To continue learning from our full CapCut Mobile course, check the description box below.